Hi, I'm Dr. Gary Richter and welcome to Ultimate Pet Vet. Today we're talking about pet insurance. Should you or shouldn't you insure your pet? Pet insurance has been around for a while, but only in maybe the past, 6 or 8 years has it really become something really comprehensive in such a way that I think it's really beneficial for a lot of pet owners. You know, the good news, bad news about veterinary medicine these days is that there are so many medical options to help pets stay healthy and get healthy that were not in existence even 10 or 15 years ago. But along with those advancements in medicine come with a price. Really high quality medical care can get expensive. And the truth is if your pet has a major medical condition, it's not uncommon to roll up a bill of $10,000 or even $15,000 within a matter of a few days. And for a lot of people, understandably, that is a big financial burden to overcome. And I will tell you, as a veterinarian, one of the most tragic things that we see is when people have to make life and death decisions based on how much something is going to cost. When something can be fixed medically, but somebody just can't handle it financially, that is a tragedy that really should never happen. And that's really where pet insurance comes in. Pet insurance, like health insurance for anybody, is a situation where you're just going to pay a certain amount every month to make sure that the larger medical issues are going to be covered when they come up. Things to consider if you're looking at pet insurance for your dog or cat are really all of the same parameters that you are going to think about when you're thinking about your own health insurance. So for example, you need to think about what you want your deductible to be. You need to think about pre-existing conditions. You need to think about what is actually going to be covered. Certain policies are going to cover more than others, either based on the company that's offering insurance or based on the cost. So, like you would whenever you're looking at your own insurance, it's really on the consumer to do your due diligence and to read the fine print and make sure you know exactly what you're getting and exactly what your pet is covered for. But in the end, what you really want to make sure of is that should your pet have some sort of major medical condition that is going to require a lot of treatment, you want to make sure that they are going to be able to get the best possible care available and with you not to have to worry about how much that's going to cost. One of the things that people often ask me is, how do I pick the right pet insurance? And what I generally recommend that they do is to really start to do your homework from the perspective of, if you go online and you Google pet insurance comparison, you're going to find a couple of sites there that are going to put a lot of the major insurance companies up next to each other and really compare things like deductibles, coverage, pre-existing conditions, all these sorts of things, and the various plans that exist even within the company, so you can pick the thing that works the best for you. One of the things that I often remind people about, because in my office we do a lot of integrative care, so we do a lot of holistic and alternative medicine, so things like acupuncture, chiropractic, herbal therapy, these sorts of things. If that's something that you're interested in having your pet benefit from, you're going to want to make sure that your pet's insurance company covers that as well. Lots of them now do, but there are some that still don't. So you just want to make sure that the insurance policy that you get is going to cover the scope of services that you're going to want to take advantage of. So that's kind of the overview of pet insurance. My name's Dr. Gary Richter. Thanks for joining us.